In this video I will show you how to fix error code 2 in Roblox. First open the mobile setting. Then click on Apps. Then click on Manage App. Then search Roblox. Then click on it. Then click on Clear Data. Then click on Clear All Data. Then click on OK. Then click on App Permission. Then click on Camera. If it not allow, then allow it. Then click on Contacts. If it not allow, then allow it. Then click on Files and Media. If it not allow, then allow it. Then click on Microphone. If it not allow, then allow it. After that your problem solve. I hope this video helped you. If did it, then like and share the video.